Kindiedays, Educator app messages. Hello, educators. Welcome to Kindiedays. To get to messages, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. To create a new message, just tap the plus icon. Adding recipients is easy. Tap the children's or teacher's photo icons, then click the check mark. To delete a message, tap the trash bin icon or swipe the conversation left and press delete. To mark a message as unread, swipe left and tap Mark Unread. By default, conversations are one-on-one, even if you select multiple recipients. Recipients won't see each other's replies. Turn on the Guardians can see each other's replies. Toggle to create a group chat where all guardians of the same child can see each other's replies. In a group conversation, one chat is created and everyone can see each other's replies. Close replies are messages that cannot be answered to, usually used for sending information which does not require a response.